These are the 6 pills that end with your kidneys and you do not know it. Some doctors prescribe them. There are people who are believers of natural remedies, but not of medicine itself. However, others are frequent recourse to medicines, any minimal pain, and urgently need a pill that will relieve us. But of course, when the sufferings seem to be more serious, it is best to resort to an expert, as only they can prescribe properly. In addition, the vast majority of medicines are only sold by prescription. The conditions can vary a lot. Some can be relieved with a single intake and others so chronic that they end up demanding a treatment. It is true that medicines are precisely to cure evils, and that they are always correctly used when prescribed by a doctor. However, we must also mention that the vast majority of these silently damage the kidneys, which are organs that stand out within the body, as they are responsible for removing toxins from the body. As already mentioned, many drugs cause severe and sometimes even irreversible damage to the kidneys, and when the situation worsens, it is very difficult to eliminate the toxic waste, thus accumulating in our body and end up causing serious damage to our health. When you are in treatment, it is necessary to always be very alert to the reactions of our body, and if we detect something abnormal, go immediately with a specialist to verify that we are consuming the correct dose and in good time. Also, a check is important, and to analyze that the medicine is the indicated for what we suffer. Perhaps this could be replaced by a less aggressive one. Here are the most harmful medicines for the kidneys. 1. Antivirals, such as acyclovir, indinavir and tenofovir. 2. Drugs for joints and bones, mainly those of arthritis such as infliximab, coloquine and hydroxychloroquine. 3. Pressure regulators, captopril. 4. Analgesics, acetaminophen, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as aspirin and ibuprofen. 5. Antibiotics, like ciprofloxacin, vancomycin, sulfonamides and methicillin. 6. Anticonvulsants, some such as trimethadione and phenetoin. Remember that it is very important not to resort to self-medication. Health is not played. Always go to your doctor or a specialist. Take care and take care of yours.